Okay, students, first we will to start the first chapter, how plant grow. So starting from here, plants are the ultimate source for all food on the earth. It means plants provide food to everybody which are living on the earth. Human beings learn to grow plant to meet their need for food. We know that human being we also grow the plant to get the food from the plants. Plants are the primary producer on earth. We know plants are the primary producer on earth. That these plants are the only living things, or we can say the only plants which make their food on the earth by own. And it means that they are the only living things that they can produce their food on. And these called also as autotrophs. Autotrophs means they make their food by own. Green plants produce food through the process of photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means made. So here they also take help of the sunlight and made their food. Both human beings and animals depend on plant for food. Yes, students, human beings and animals both depend upon the plant for foods, because that's called, we also called as heterotrophs, and plant called as autotroph because they make their food by own. In the process of photosynthesis, green plant take up carbon dioxide, water, and from their surrounding and then convert them into glucose and oxygen. Here glucose means they make their food, and oxygen released by them, which is taken by the human beings. Hence plants don't only supply food to us but also provide or give us oxygen to breathe. It means plants don't give only food to us, they also give us oxygen. In fact, all parts of plants are useful for us. It means each and every part of the plant very useful us. Life on earth is not possible without plant. We know that if we have to sustain on the earth, we have to grow more plant on the earth because they provide us oxygen. And it's very important to preserve, means protect the plant around us and grow more plant. Now we will see that how we growing new plant from that particular plant seeds or different parts of the plant. Most plant grow from seeds while some from root, stem and leaves. We know that mostly plant we grow from the seed and also from root, stems and leaves. Now one by one we will discuss that about how we grow the plant from the seeds, roots, stems and leaves. First of all, growing plant from seeds. Seeds are formed inside the flower. It means seeds are formed inside the flowers. It means seeds which are present inside the flower, they also change into new plants. In many plants, the flower change into fruit. It means in many plants, the flowers change into fruits with seed inside them. Also, students, when we eat the different type of fruit, they having the seeds in it. A seed contain a baby plant. It has hard outer cover, which is called seed coat. It means a seed having inside it baby plant. With the help of baby plant, it change into new plant. It has hard outer cover, which is called seed coat. It means inside the seed coat there is baby plant. The seed coat protect the baby plant, and inside the seed coat there are two thick structure called cotyledons. It means inside the seed coat there is two thick structure called cotyledons, and these store food for the baby plant. In the beginning, when baby plant is not properly grow, it take up food from the cotyledons, and when water enter the seed coat through a tiny holes, the baby plant begin to grow. After that, we know that with the time everything grow, every organism grow, every human being grow. So also with time, when it get water, when it get food, it also begin to grow. Each seed has the potential to grow into new full-sized plant like plant it came from. We know if seed having the potential, each seed having the potential to change it to new plant having the same characteristic as that of the plant. So all seed don't get the chance become plant. Here also some seed don't get the chance because some seeds are eaten up by animals and some don't get enough water, air, warmth to grow, and it means some are eaten by the animals, some don't get the proper requirement. Here requirements are water, air, warmth means sunlight to grow, and some are destroyed by the rain and storm. A seed need air, water, the right temperature, fertile soil, and the right amount of sunlight to produce a baby plant or seedling. It means if seed get these requirements properly, then it changes into new plants, and also baby plants having good efficiency, good energy to change into new plant. But necessary things like air, water, right temperature, and fertile soil should be getted by the seed.